My name is Tan Yikian. My number is 301766, and today I'm going to present about my application saving goals tracker. So when user click inside the application, you will spawn the splash screen in 2 seconds. So moving to the home page, you got 3 input field and 1 button. So which 3 input field is the current amount saved, target savings goal, and saving per week. So when user click in the input text, it will see the hint text inside, which is xxx.sx, same as 3 input field. So let's say the user does not key in any input and click the button, it will show please enter the field. But what if user enter the incorrect format? Let's say it's alphabet. So here it will pop up is please enter valid amount. Okay. Now I put it at in wrong decimal value. Let's say 12 and 123. So please enter amount maximum to 2 decimal place. So just put it at 10 ringgit also, or 10 or 50. Okay. So moving to the target save goal, same. Calculate. Please enter the text field. Alphabet. Please enter valid amount. The invalid decimal. Please enter amount maximum to decimal place. What if low than current amount saved? Let's say just 9 ringgit. So target goal must be greater than current amount saved. So now I just put 1000. Okay, moving to next. Please enter the field. Alphabet. Please enter the value amount. What if 0? Saving per week must be greater than 0. Okay. Invalid decimal. Please enter amount to 2 decimal place. Okay. Now let's say I saving per week is 5 ringgit. So now let's calculate. Now okay, here is the result of the calculation. You will reach your saving goals in 197.9 weeks. What if the current amount saved and the target amount saved is target saving goal are the same value? So it will be you have already reached your saving goals. So now let's move to the coding part. So here is the main dot, which only just storage the team data from return material app. So go to the team data, and app bar team. So here just direct store the background color and the fore color. So this is the color with the hexagonal code, which is 526384. So foreground color is the text color. We can see, if you notice at the app bar, you can see the app bar is the blue color, same as the hexa code, and the white color is the text color. And then move to the splash page. Okay, do the splash page using the stateful widget. So this method is going to the home page with 2 seconds. Okay, so that means it will loading in 2 seconds, then it will go to the home page. So as the GUI design, so return scaffold, background with the color with hexacode blue color, and the body center column, and here is center the component. Let's say the image at the center, and this is the spacing with 20, the text with size 24, black and white. So spacing again, and here is the circular process indicator in color white. This means this is the color in the circular process indicator in color white. So after 2 seconds, moving to the home page. So going to the home page, use same as the splash screen stateful widget. So here is the declaration, let double width, which can declare later, and the text editing controller to get the text field input, checking the text field error or return to false defaultly is the error message. Defaultly is empty, and the result is empty. So going to the width, this width is getting the media query of context size width. And let's say if width bigger than 600, then the width will manual set as 600. Other, if less than 600, then is using the current size. Let's say this currently is not greater than 600. Maybe using another font and might be bigger. So it will just set at 600, no over than 600. So return scaffold, add bar with the text saving goal tracker. Even so, here we can see the text I didn't set as white color, but here is also white color because I already define the add bar foreground color with white. So here is just center the title, and moving to the next is body center with a container and width to ensure that that's not over, and have the padding which as insert from left, top, right and bottom 24, 50 and 24, and child column. So you cross axis alignment, which I can start the component at the left, and main axis alignment and start, which is I can start at the top. So here you can see the text it start at the left at the top, not at the center, not at the right, or not the bottom. So the children with the text spacing and the text sphere have the controller. Text keyboard type is the text input type with a number with option decimal true. That means the keyboard will showing the dot at the keyboard. That means decimal true is the showing the dot in the keyboard. So for the decoration, for input decoration, label RM here, RM here, and the hint text is xxx.sx. So this is the hint style for color in gray. Enable border, which is the not can be say a non-focus text field. Let's say not say like not unfocused, like a default border. Default border, if doesn't do anything, is the outline border will in radius 12. Border side is the how to say the border of the line, border at the this line, the container, the border container, how to say the border. Okay, the border. So here the color is default at gray. If there is not any error. So here is the considered expression that I found from the official document. So conditional expression, let's say the error is false, then it will go to gray. If true, then it will go to red. So focus border is I focus at the border, like currently is focused the border, focus the text field. So just same as enable border, checking is error or not. Yes if red, no is gray. So moving to the next is also same, checking the error. So what is the condition, and here is what if the got error. Let's say got error. So here you can see the red color of the border and the red text. So that means is match with here, having the text with the error message and the style color in red. If no, there's not any error, then just having the spacing of 10. So moving to the next. Actually, all the text field are same function, just change a bit the declaration, or like the text target saving goals. Here is the same with the target goal controller. Keyboard input same, labels all same. Just actually all same, only the a specific error using their specific name. So just direct move to the here is the web button. So having the size bar again, and with the width is double infinity to fit with the like to fit the left and the right, and the evaluate button on press. Here is calling the method. Then button style to change the background color, change the background color in blue color, and the foreground color in white. So you can see the button is blue and the text is white. So here this is the text calculate, and the font size is 20. So it is another facing for displaying the result. So here is result is not empty. It will build the container with double infinity, padding, box decoration, border the border is black, radius 8 with gray color background, and then the text is the result of the calculation. Text cell size 18, bold and color green. So here is the method of the calculation. So just current amount text direct get to the controller, and this is the double value later going to define the value. So this is the result empty to make sure the result is always empty if got any exception. So let's say if got any exception, the result will be empty. So no result is there. So next is checking the current amount text field. So for exception handling, I'm doing at step by step, like just checking only the first input field does not got any error, then moving to the next. So here all the code just focusing on the current text amount is empty. Please enter the field, then else checking the double passing. So here I does not use the try pass because the current amount saved can be 0. If I using the try pass, it will return is 0 or null. Even I put alphabet, it just return as 0. It still cause the error. So at here I just using the normal passing. So this is the another how to say a bug or a dark bug or the default setting, I'm not sure, but always let's say I key in the number decimal in correct decimal, let's say is 10.12 multiplied with 100, but the result will return as 1001.99999. I also I figure the dot calculation. So also go to the officer and get the solution. So here I just same multiply with 10 to string as fit with 2. That means I fit the decimal point with 2 value, the 2 value. Then because it is to string, so I'm gonna to double pass again and check with modulo 1 not equal to 0. Let's say if equal to 0, that if equal to 0 is true. If not equal to 0, that means that I got error. So please enter the maximum 2 decimal value place. And here is checking the only false is mean by the errors is does not causing any error. So here is a try catch to catching the string value is numbering or not. So moving to the next is the target goal. Same is empty or not. Double passing checking, and check the target value is less than or equal to 0. Then check the target goal less than current amount. And here is the try passing catch, and here just if doesn't not any error. So moving to the next is saving per week, is empty or not, and double passing checking, less than or equal to 0, and that's all for the exception handling. So now moving to the calculation. The calculation is like the calculation is amount need. Amount need is using a target goal minus with current amount. Let's say it's less than or equal to 0. That means you have already reached your saving goal. Else, calculation with weeks required, amount need, divide by saving per week. So double pass again to only one decimal value. Then the result will display out. You will reach your saving goal in week required weeks and set state. So that's all the functionality of the application. Thank you.